We begin tonight with that Christmas Day nightmare unfolding in Nashville as authorities there review surveillance video of that explosion. That's our top story tonight at 6. Investigators say just after 1 a.m. Christmas morning, an RV was seen parked in downtown Nashville. Hours later, police responding to a call of shots fired. When they approached the RV, they could hear that eerie recording coming from the vehicle, warning people nearby to evacuate. At 6:30 a.m., the RV exploded, the debris field reaching several blocks. The FBI now working to identify human remains found at the scene. Sources tell ABC News authorities are searching properties associated with Anthony Quinn Warner and are working to determine if he was responsible for that explosion.
Our investigative team is turning over every stone to make sure we know as many details as possible to answer the question of who is responsible for this, and also to understand why did they do this.
40 buildings in total were impacted. First responders and 6 police officers are now being hailed as heroes as only 3 people suffered minor injuries.